Alright, my name is Anthony Dion and I'm here at JTech and I'm going to be doing a starter diagnostics and servicing. So this is a relay schematic. So what we have here is just a standard relay, and how it works is power will flow from point 86 through the coil. 85 would be your ground, and as the power is flowing through the coil, it creates a magnet which pulls down the lever, which allows the power to flow from 30 all the way through 80.87. Okay, so now we'll be going over the starter system schematic. So you'll be getting power from here, which will travel all the way to your ignition switch. Once you turn it to the start position, it will travel all the way to your crank relay. And once the crank relay has closed, you will get power from the crank relay all the way to your start relay, which will then close and allow power to flow from all the way to your starter solenoid, which will then turn over the starter. Okay, so now we'll be doing an open voltage check on the battery of this Colorado. Put your negative on your negative and your positive on your positive. This battery is reading about 4.6 and it should be reading 12.6. Good. So now we'll be doing a starter draw test using a load tester. To set up the load tester, you need to put your positive cable to your positive terminal and your negative cable to your negative terminal, and then connect your amps clamp to the negative cable. Make sure the amps are zeroed, which is on the load tester. Okay, so they are zeroed, and now you want to crank the vehicle, and that's what you'll be looking at.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. So now we'll be doing the voltage drop test on the starter. So we connected the positive cable to the positive on the starter, and now we'll be connecting the negative cable from the voltmeter to the positive terminal on the battery. And then we'll start it, and then it should not have read over 0.1 volts. And now we'll be doing a voltage drop test on the negative side of the starter. So you connect the positive lead from your voltmeter to the casing of the starter, and then you connect the negative lead to the negative terminal of the battery, and then you start it. And you should read 0.1 volts.